Welcome home to this beautifully remodeled Cape Cod home nestled in the charming Norwood Heights neighborhood. This 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom residence offers classic charm and modern updates. The inviting living room features natural woodwork and an abundance of natural light. And the brand new kitchen boasts modern appliances, custom cabinetry, and stylish finishes, perfect for daily living and even better for hosting friends and family. The home includes 2 spacious bedrooms and 3 fully renovated bathrooms, providing comfort and convenience for family and guests alike. A finished basement offers additional living space, ideal for a home office, gym, or rec area. Recent updates include a new furnace, updated plumbing, 200-amp electrical service, and fresh interior and exterior paint. Relax outside and enjoy the large patio, pergola, and privacy fence. The property also features a new concrete driveway and a spacious detached garage. Don't miss out on this home offering timeless character with modern amenities. Call Sandy Gratz Bub for all the details.